Wednesday, March 23rd, 2016. And this na the Ogbonge television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. This na the Ogbonge topical discussion show as it hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas, sake of say, all the action story where they come and smoke inside Obodo Nigeria, we go carry them, drop them, open mouth, discuss the matter, give you license to chook mouth inside with the aim or the purpose of say, those when they lead us, go learn and do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokwode, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when Sabu well as they concerning matter as it hot.
A beautiful Wednesday morning to all our beautiful and wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. We don't carry that same Ogbonge program coming away on our way again as it hot. That program with the athletes there, where they give now up-to-date information about different activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Today we'll not go different because we carry one interesting issue come today, and we can't get one Ogbonge guest, strong woman where she be, and we'll also join man to also do it in discuss the matter, and we'll also open our phone lines so that at least our viewers will feel contribute for this very, very important matter we will talk about today when that time reach. My name never to change. My name is Nkubi, and this now as it is hot.
It go good make we introduce our Ogbonge visitor before we drop our topic so that everybody go understand the area or the direction when we dey go. If una look Nkubi, una go see saying dress like best man.
No.
I know in plan.
Please. It day too early. What is wrong with me looking, smart? What is wrong with me trying to at least try to make a statement?
Like a best man.
Wait, at least respect the
No,
guest.
like a best man.
No, respect the woman who will get here. Respect the lady who will get here. At least, maybe if she see people like us, she will say, yes, this guy is cute.
No wonder. You don't already talk am now. Now the lady when we get here, now I make you wear suit.
You call
for the first time.
Why wear butter?
I've always...
Why? No. Why? You've always...
Allow me introduce our visitor before we start.
You started the picking on person. You picked on me. So...
Pick on you? Are you being... Which one be pick on you? Pick on what? What is there to be picked on you? No, what is there to be picked on you?
You not expose ourselves this morning.
You are the one exposing yourself. I am who I am.
Who are you?
I am who I am.
Who are you?
The man that speaks for Nigerians.
No, me the life.
The man that stands on the truth.
Introduce our guest, please.
Okay.
Introduce our guest.
Our Ogbonge visitor, na young lady. Una go see say Nkubi blood to the hot. I don't notice her. Na young lady when we say anything we get to do with young girls, when go grow up to become women for inside this our society, she dey carry am for head as people when they walk on top of Third Mainland Bridge. She be person when they very, very passionate about the fact say woman or girl no be just woman or girl. Now woman being will get plenty potential inside. She be writer. She be person when we say that they call them girls' rights activist. And she be young lady when we say the African Union, AU, that is the Ogbonge joint body of all the African countries when they inside Obodo Nigeria, don't look and finish contact say, if we dey gather women, we get plenty idea and sense to talk about how we go build women for not just our country, but inside Africa, the continent, say she go represent Obodo Nigeria. At the talk of no other than Ambassador Kate Ekanem. Ambassador Kate Ekanem.
Thank you.
This is your smile. This is your smile.
The kind smile.
Wait till me that the kind smile where you need. Allow me talk the talk when I want to talk finish. Why you be say once lady there inside studio, your body go just dey push you.
I said the smile, the kind smile when
they do like this now.
No. He's trying to prove a point.
You don't even speak English. He's trying to. English we never speaks in September last year.
Madam Kate, he get one tradition.
Madam, young lady.
Auntie, either way, Madam Kate, Auntie Kate, and Lady Kate, get one tradition we normally get here. We normally shake our guests once we don't get special guests like you. Okay. You understand? So let me just start the process of Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ugu, which kind of shake? Which kind of shake?
No, we need to. What is the meaning of that? Nana, handshake.
You do vote of thanks before you shake. Shake really, they shake like person when they give sweater, we call the cash.
No, please, we need to make it. I mean, you don't embarrass me.
Ukubi, the way they speak English, the thing just able to surprise me.
Don't do you now. Make we enter. You know,
I
don't respect myself.
English.
Okay, make we know.
Okay, I'm fine like this today.
She even agrees say you fine today. First time.
Don't do you.
Okay, Ambassador Kate, we no waste time. We'll go straight to what we discuss. On Tuesday, the 15th day in the month of March, we know say the hallowed chambers of the Senate, something happened for inside there. And after this particular thing happened, it generates plenty, I go speak English, outcry for inside the Nigeria political terrain because people come out, come and give different accounts of what happened. And make we break everything down. It gets one senator when they represent her people from Ekiti State, Senator Abiodun Olujimi. She stand up for inside the floor of the House of Senate, come push one bill, go front. They call am the Gender Equality Bill. And what the bill dey about now to ensure say women for inside Obodo Nigeria, they get the same equal rights for marriage, for education, and even work sef for inside this our society. But our senators then, with the wisdom when they get, say, they sabi our laws where they stand up, come argue for and argue against. But plenty people vex because it just be like, say, nobody take that bill serious and all the arguments just go in the direction of, say, the bill no go work. The Deputy Senate President, Ike Ekweremadu of the PDP, he stand up, come talk, say, based on, say, in the tradition of the PDP, women, they're very, very relevant and important. Say this particular bill in support them. Even though tradition, they against the fact, say, some women, oh, they know if you do some kind of things. He talk, say, for the place where you come from, women know they chop egg or touch some parts of animal body. But because of education and advancement for society, they don't see, say, nothing they wrong. In fact, say, when woman even fry the egg or even touch her, now that time the thing, they sweet pass. But one of our senators will come from Zamfara, former governor Ahmed Sani Yerima, can stand up, can talk, say, based on the 1999 constitution, when recognize the Sharia law, say he gets some kind of anomaly, I go speak English, when they inside the bill and our constitution, based on, say, if the Sharia law talk, say, see so thing when we say woman, her position and everything like that, this bill, if it won't come, they need to modify and make it not be like, say, it dey against that particular one. But plenty Nigerians don't react to this particular issue. They can't talk, say, it be like, say, for our House of Senate, any matter when get to do with women, say they know they take them serious at all. And plenty women don't come out, can't talk, say, this matter and something when we say we go chook eye inside. Based on as the hot things, we don't carry person when we say from small, anything we get to do with girls, women, she they carry on for head. And today we go discuss this matter from every angle. Kate Ekanem, Ambassador, welcome once again to Ask Ide Hot.
Thank you. God go bless you now. As when I bring this topic come this table because now something we would need to address.
No, of course.
So God go bless you now.
Now the kind of way people like me they interested in, we want to make our women, our ladies, they advance. So
if they get much people like most media people where they get involved, they address this issue. If we don't go long way. And because of say some people know they get the boldness to talk this thing. Some people know one problem for themselves on them company. But I happy as Wazobia don't take up this matter now. At least you don't give us some hope. Say something better go happen. As media don't get.
I like the way when you take emphasize, say, I see the heart of Wazobia TV and Wazobia Max. We know, not beside you won't make mouth. We know they fear. We they talk them the way anything be. And now why our people when they for us believe in us say this matter or any matter won't carry come now in the interest of Nigerians. Make we no waste time now. Make we dissect this particular issue now. Make we drop this bill and drop reality. Abiodun Olujimi talk say it go good make our women them. And when we talk about women now, girls don't follow. Make them get equal rights as it get to do with marriage, as it get to do with job, as it get to do with education. Now this one don't show say somehow if you check the reality, it be like say women no get equal opportunities for these three important things we don't call. So what be those things when you think say they make this one happen for inside our society? When we say women, they will get discrimination for education, for work, and even for inside marriage.
You see, the matter no just start today. Okay. No be something we start this year, no be something we start last. And I believe of our forefather. Now waiting, so we now where they try to they make things right, and I make everything there. Because even some people now where they this country, some old people where we say they look up to them agbalagba, then they look up to make the airports do this thing as it's supposed balance. Now because of say them they don't get this belief. Now I make maybe as I talk and they tell my friends sometimes whether if that's bill come with another name apart from that gender equality because that name gender equality no they no wan gree now okay wetin I wan even ask be say when they bring the bill when the Senate they reject wetin concern Sharia law concern women right
I want ask that question
concern
as well.
us concern Sharia law wetin that one got to do with say make women
because
get right
Sharia law
and
na
again
just law wey dey restricted to a particular
religion so wetin concern me for example when me I be Christian concern Sharia law so na issue wey be say e no just start today na something wey be say although we go I know say we go achieve am na something wey be say we go continue to dey struggle am but also we wan make dem realize say this thing wey we dey do be to disrespect man, no be to fight man. Now make we say make everybody just get the same right to go school. You go see for family where we say now like 12 people they family. They go first send the male children go school first. They go say you dey first.
Don't even consider
before they go even consider one girl wey go school for that family. The boys will don't go. They go say wait, make your brother go school finish. Now then get you understand. So this those kind things.
But
not good. But you go see as person go work. No, I tell you, I just bring that some point. You go see two people go there the same company where they work together. Even if the woman, because women they work.
Yeah, they like
they won't work, they go work.
We know that one.
You go see they go there the same company they work. Whether not even the same position, but they go prefer to pay the man past the woman. They go say the man's strength. But we don't need all those things. We don't know when God create man, create woman. You know say make man. They override woman. Though he say the man is the head of the family, but that one no mean
make the woman they support.
So if we not do like that, you know go move forward. We go continue to the day backward. So now make we continue to the the Senate now where they don't say no, but I happy say they go because of all the struggle. People no agree plenty. Because I don't say plenty people no go agree. At all. We there for 21st century and women now don't they know their right.
If they talk say plenty people no go agree, make we bring her from this angle. We don't see the last administration really encourage them the involvement of women for inside them activities. At least make them empower women. Okay, if we get a particular system where we say the past government encourage women, even give women big portfolios for their own government. You can't be say under this same administration, you can't be say we don't see a decline. You understand? Nobody says an improvement from what we get before. More like a decline. How it is say this struggle will still feel the persistence so that at least we're not going to see a shuttling of say you go forward, you come back, you go forward, you come back. Rather make we just say make just they go forward, just they go forward, just they go until that thing we achieve.
You see, say with the first thing. Now make for change the mindset of the people.
Mindset.
Now that mindset, we got to make the man believe, say, no be fights. It no mean say your wife no go cook for you for house. It no mean say your wife no go come back time, come arrange and no go take children go school. You know what I mean? And also make the women self believe, say, no be a right to, they insultive to your husband. No be waiting it mean be that. Some, a lot of things get to involve, but I think the most important thing we'll make we do now to change the mindset, make them believe, say, now like this it be, now like this it be. Then they mean gender equality. No be say
everything equal. But please, make the woman know her rights.
Man be man, you know fit change, you know fit turn man. The only issue be there, say make we get the same opportunity. Some women now, as if they even pay me for one matter where I just try address last week. One woman, the woman don't sick. I can't go greet them. Say, go. Say until the husband come back, or now go hospital. I say, so your life now not that important. You go wait to take permission from your husband
before you go treat yourself.
So, this issue now waiting gender equality mean beside. Me say gender equality now they don't accept and say okay. As that woman sick, she go no say she go carry card take herself go hospital. You understand? You go need to wait to collect permission from your husband. So health they involved now. So make we consider the health where they involve. Make we consider the education part where they involve. Okay, you go to say some boys now may go school finish, they go do everything finish. The girl where they house waiting be our own future. We don't forget say we they deal with woman. We are all human beings.
We are all
the same beings, love yes. They show for our male became. Make they show for our. I go use my own story. My mama died when I did 2
years.
Yes, and I may be the only child she born.
Hi.
My papa come marry another wife, and you know what it mean. Make you get as the only became nobody to talk to, nobody to. My stepmother said, come born male children. Well, you get one time where I go school. My papa, says money can't finish now. I won't write exam. My papa no get money. Man always see the struggle to say make he put food for table. My papa can't carry him only share, go sell them. Say this girl, at least make this guy see they see and they read books, they try, they write. Make you just go school. I know the matter. Till now, say, will they try resolve that matter? Say my papa sell share, make me I go school. So when I could look the issue, she be say. Now maybe one of the male child, you know that they believe say even her own girl child, believe say they get right as the male where she gets.
Woman when no believe now this na woman when no believe.
What suppose even they encourage?
Now what I mean by mindset, not be only for the man alone. Some women go say no, I beg go, I no grow. My husband be my everything before you come, before I go hospital, before you come. So we need to change the mind because if not all our struggle no make sense. We got to change the orientation of the woman, of the man, who make them believe say this thing na like this, this thing na like this. Not be to insult your husband. Not be to go against religion. Now to give yourself right to the best in life. So
Ambassador, people just emphasize this particular talk where you don't talk from. Number one, when we talk about gender equality, not be just whether woman go begin to wear trouser or she go change to man. Now say woman go be woman, all the opportunities when we say he suppose get, he go get am. If in power carry am, he go achieve am. Man go be man. All the opportunities when go dey, they no go talk say because you be man, na only you go get am. If he do the same thing as woman too, and if in power carry am, he go do am. Make we emphasize that particular one, drop am. Then number two, you don't also talk about say this problem no be something when start last year or when start 10 years ago. So if we want solve am, na something when we say we go do am over time to use ensure say we solve this particular one. Make we come dey move forward now. E get one particular stumbling block. Make I use stumbling block because whether we like am or not, people go always dey bring and come inside this argument. And na one of the things when we say stop this one. I no wan use Sharia law now. I wan use religion now. Even though we know say for religion they talk say God na him create everybody, na him do this, na him do that. But some people still dey use am as excuse for so many things. One part of this bill been talk say if woman husband die, now she go take care of her pikin, and the property when we say the man gets, she go inherit am. But some people don't come and talk say no, it cannot work because even that woman now part of the man property. No be say they will come talk say. Somehow. Now, nobody say they will come talk say now the woman go collect the property, and people come they hide under religion. And you know say for this society we be very very religious people. When it come into religion, people go talk say hey they no want talk or meditate no cause problem. I go like make we start from the basics now. Begin to reach the mind of people say if we dey look issues first and foremost, make it not just be about say okay now this religion I'm they look am from. Now say I be human being and I want make somebody dey better. Over to you.
This matter, especially this one where you just talk now. Say when man die, they go say the wife na the property. They no go want give. You see, woman no be property. Woman na woman be na blood no woman no be na the only thing we need to change. Woman no be commodity. No be something where you go keep for house, go come back. Now I don't know how to take. I don't know what I feel take.
When God creates,
once you don't accept, say. Woman no be commodity. Everything don't settle because if man die, for example, now the issue that issue in fact books where I don't read concerning experience where I don't hear. If you hear when widows they lament, and now one of the something where they really are light for that bill of gender equality on that widow because here when widows they lament for matter they go through. Some go just get big. Some still get big immediately. The day gone. Where the pikin the husband died, they go collect the property.
Everything.
As they collect the property, no be say they go see they send the children go
at
school.
all.
Now the woman go see come go they do
everything.
You know good. No go talk better. Even forget about say we dey religious. Everybody even say Bible no support them. Now cheating, you know good. Make the man, the two of them they struggle together. And one thing where they very painful beside from experience, you go find out say at the end of it, now that woman self, now he use him own take bring up that man. Now you don't come collect waiting the woman build the hope for. You don't collect everything. Now he go come start afresh with how many children. He no good. Religion self no support them. So make family stay in home. Bible say when man and woman marry, they don't become one. If the man die, make the woman go on with the husband business. Make the woman continue the husband business. Make it continue to take care. Make family stay on your own. You know if you go they marry him brother. You know if you go they marry him, it no make sense. Now love they take marry.
But then
if you go they marry,
just as Chico they talk. If I was say, you get some place where say this same tradition. If you like, talk from now reach tomorrow. You know go change your mindset at all. They will say. On this I stand, and it will not change.
It could be the way you take even talk. You sure say you be elder,
please,
and you dey go village meeting.
No, please.
No, you don't say I think that on this you know what you remember for you. But I'll give you bush meat and wine. Not be Nollywood. No, I know I'm now.
No, please. So indirectly, what you try to say, I'll be one of those people who say that same tradition I will support them. Now what you try to me?
No, you just say they analyze.
No.
I say you analyze and where the way when they take they do am.
Indirectly, you're telling me say somehow I'll be one of them.
I just say you what's in your conscience now.
Now what's in Nollywood?
Bible talk.
Allow me ask my question.
Okay.
Allow me ask my question.
Okay, sorry.
This question is not meant for you. It is meant for Auntie Kate.
Auntie Kate.
Madam Kate or
Madam
Lady Kate.
You are confused. Auntie Kate. Pick
No,
one.
that's why I want to take
Madam.
Auntie Madam.
Lady.
Anyone that's why I want to call her. So
Unkubi, she not go give you number. I don't mark her.
it is none of your business.
Oh, you see, you even see. So now your plan.
I go give her.
Thank you very much.
I go give her.
I'm proud to.
See excitement like say it's call for final of World Cup. Thank you very much.
Okay, let me ask my question.
Continue.
Okay, right now, say people, we get people who say, then go stay and say, tradition comes first. You understand? Okay. Right now, how we take the at least gradually, they say they orientate these people, or probably they give them that way to make them ensure to believe, say, look, the era of tradition fit still dey go on, but as the world dey go on, things dey change. Make them start to at least identify with that change wey dey take place right now, rather than to stick with wetin no go even help promote. Because if you look am, we don say a couple of me, I go school, and for my school, I go dey talk here. The school I graduate from, now women dey top my class, and I somehow, if I born pikin, I go wan make my pikin sef, if na woman, make e do wetin, make e top class of where e dey. I will be proud to say so. How we go fit dey at least they bring in that orientation? So look, it is no longer that era of say we dey. No, but I no go wan use the word primitive. Make them notice say maybe they criticize our culture, tradition. Say okay, make we gradually change our mindset from waiting
from the old ways. No, just the old ways.
Make we start to think ahead of waiting the world they relate with right now.
First of all, how tradition take come about, sef?
That's true.
How tradition take come about? Shey tradition just fly come and then we start to practice. Now we sit down, now our forefather, now we do, now we make. It started from somewhere. So if we want change this thing, it will also start from somewhere. I know one woman, make I use one example because me I dey get plenty story. Now every day I dey hear women matter. One day ladies Lagos so. You don't dey with this husband, they marry for village, they do normal ritual and all those things where they go do culture normally now. The woman come Lagos, the husband they beat him every day.
Turn out to punching bag.
In fact, they beat her. Now I can't go tell am say this issue wey happen with Gloria matter with your husband. I can't carry the newspaper. Because say you see how they tear woman face. You say you now want carry una dirty pants go outside.
Go outside.
You know wetin? Leave this man. I don't say make una break home. I don't want break home. I don't want make una come say na me. But for the meantime, you go first. You go make una go pray. At least you believe in prayer for Nigeria. Leave una self for some time. Make una gather something. Make una know whether una even right for. The man say no. Say na tradition.
In fact, the mood where they talk this, just hold on there. Now this same mood you go take continue, because right about now make we enter market at least.
Okay.
If we enter this market, come back, make you drink water, then you go feel pick up from there. Okay. Make we enter market till they come.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.